blow. Hey, can I get some air? Time.
Need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, that's in the... Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
50 laps down, and the King is still holding a slim lead.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my rims.
Many cars here, out of my way.
Professor Zygzak.
Here it is, Professor. You wanted to see this before we load it? Ah, yes.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today.
He's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
And folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Guido. Aha, laugh it up. Real funny.
My baby Ramone can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go get my...
In the Pete stop.
Piston Cup. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Protocol for today's great test.
Yeah?
It was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Do it in style.
What's Mr. Sterling gonna say?
I'm actually more worried about what Tex is gonna say, considering he,
Yellow, bring it in. Don't tear yourself up.
Thanks, Tex.
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-size offer.
I think you forgot the insulting part of that insult.
Like you don't know, Lieutenant Lightning McQueen.
Is it the most glorious day of my life?
There you go. Felt good. Hey, Red.
Not in my town, you don't.
Cha-cha-cha!
Right? Well, was it 4 or 6? Huh. Hey, where'd you...
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shu Todoroki.
It's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like you miss your tow truck, amigo.
It's Spin McMissile!
I'm Mate's girlfriend. It's so nice to meet you all.
Man, Ramone will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flame.